Alright guys, as we discussed yesterday, we was looking for buy if price open in between this range, and the next if price open gap down, so definitely we was looking for short. But the next if price open a gap up, so I already told in my previous video that we are looking for a pullback. So after that we just looking for buy. So I think you people are remember. So today price open a gap up somewhere here, and again pull back, and exactly we start buying somewhere here. So finally price goes from this level. So let me show you my trading setup. This one Bank Nifty, and here I can see price open a gap up, but here we start buying put option, and we book the profit somewhere here. Exactly after forming this bullish candle, again we start buying call option and we book profit, again pull back, again we start buying somewhere here. So we catch every move today. So let me show you why I bought call option and put option somewhere here. So here I can see this is a 15-minute chart, and the right hand side this is 1-minute chart. So let me show you here. So let me make it little more. Okay, now here I can see once price open a gap up and pull back, and price goes little bit, and again price break this supporting line. Why this supporting line is important? 43117. So this is a standard deviation line, 0.5 standard deviation. Let me show you exactly, then you comes to know. So where price open? Price open around 43269. So here I can see I place this one, just a minute, 4, just let me remove this one. So now I can see all are 0. So where exactly price open? Let me show you here, 43269. So let me use here 43269, 43269. All right. So now you can see automatically they are detecting supporting and support and resistance line. So first let me show you the support line. So as I said, we don't need 0.25, we need 0.5, one standard deviation and 1.5. So here I can see 0.5, 43116. So I drawn 43116, and the next 42964, 42964 somewhere here. So once break 0.5 standard deviation, we are looking for short. So we are using pullback candlestick. So once we place put buy option, after forming this bullish candle, we booked our profit somewhere here. Let me show you why we bought. Okay, so here I can see according to previous data, that was supporting line, price hit and reverse, bouncing from this level, bouncing from this level, and finally somewhere broke in this area. Have you seen? So let me connect. Here I can see exactly price broke this area. So once price broke this supporting line, again price pull back, and this bearish candle confirms to buy a put option. So finally we booked somewhere here. So why we booked? Let me show you. Okay, now here I can see again let me draw a supporting line. No, sorry, this is a resistance line. Okay, so here I can see finally price broke this area that was bouncing off, and finally broke this area. So once we enter here, put buy, and we close our position somewhere here. So once break, so again we start buying call option. So in that case you can see they form a bullish candle. All right, where bullish candle are forming? Above one standard deviation. This is one standard deviation line. So once we broke, Now we booked a profit somewhere here in this area, and finally here you can see again we entered somewhere here after breaking this level here. So they are forming this a triangle pattern somewhere here, and finally broke this triangle pattern and we enter, and later we add some position after giving a pullback, and finally you can see price hit our target, so we booked our profit. That was bank nifty. Let me show you nifty how they are behaving. So this is zero line, this is means opening point, this is 0.5 standard deviation target price, and this one standard deviation. So here you can see after breaking this 5 and price exactly near 1 standard. So later here you can see, sorry, they form a bullish candle. So we use breakout trading strategy. Again we enter here call and booked a profit somewhere here. After breaking this area, again price goes to this level, again pull back near 0.5, and some bullish candle are forming. Again we bought and hit this level. This is 0.5 standard deviation, and today we trade also in Nifty financial. All right. Fin Nifty. All right. So it's exactly they are working here. I can see price open somewhere there, and this is 0.5, and this is 1 standard deviation, and finally they form and broke this higher point. We entered and price hit, and again pull back. Again we entered above this area, exactly hit this level, again pull back from a bullish candle. Again we bought and exactly we booked a profit somewhere there. All right. So today it's going to expire. So fin Nifty every Tuesday it's expiring. So tomorrow we are going to trade in fin Nifty. All right. So let me show you where our entry point. Okay. Let me show you in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Price opened somewhere there and broke this 1 standard deviation. Again goes up, again goes down and down. Later here you can see they broke this level, and exactly we bought a put option, and again price hit this lower point, 1 standard deviation. And if you see just a minute, okay. So price was running like this here, and we drawn a line, and finally we got a buy confirmation, and the price goes and hit our target price exactly here. I can see. Let me show you the target price. Yeah, price exactly hit our target price. So is it our actual level or is it imaginary? No, it's not a imaginary. Let me show you. This is our opening point around 19,300. Have you seen 19,300? So let me put here 19300, 19,300. So automatically they are detecting sorry 0.5%, 19,232, this line. Have you seen? And 1 standard deviation 19,164. Here I can see 19,164. All right. So next, this one our 19,234, that is 0.5, almost 234, 232. Let me show you 232 because it's a very difficult to add just 23. Where is 232? 232. Okay, that one. All right. Exactly hit somewhere there. All right. Again price broke this area somewhere here and again pull back. So here why we bought somewhere there, price broke this area, again pull back, got a confirmation, again we enter here call option. That is the beauty in this trading strategy. So finally you can see exactly hit that level and again pull back, but we stop buying or stop trading somewhere there. All right. So later on here you can see after breaking this resistance line, Let me show you after breaking this area. All right, and the raise 10. Okay, raise 10 and a broke raise 10, goes up, pull back, and some confirmation above this area, and again entered and again hit that level. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.